Yeah, we're back. We are on the move here at Bowling Green. You got my buddy here, Chris. He's a pilot.
How's it going? Trucking with Green.
We're on the move. We're gonna go around and show you some big, large cars.
Woo! Yeah! Woo!
So we'll be back from time to time tonight. This part will be a little boring, but
Show them a little few of the bigger wagons.
yeah, we get over there to back to the large cars. We'll show them. Being this is a trucking channel, gotta show some semi truck.
That's right. That's right. There's a truck, but it ain't
Yep.
a semi.
Exactly. The 4-wheel drive.
I mean, it is Dodge, but
Yeah. As you can see, we are filling up more than we did that you seen yesterday.
But I don't want them saggy.
they don't call it Pull Town for a reason, folks.
Exactly. We'll get down.
They do call it Pull Town for a reason.
We'll get down here at the infield. We'll show you what progress. Trucks filling up, filling in. Then they'll pile in all night long too.
Green is live,
Yeah, we're live.
Oh, are we live?
We're live.
We're live.
We're trying to go keep this.
Oh, we're trucking?
Yeah, we're live on
YouTube?
on YouTube. Yep. Trucker Green.
Greeny's the best trucker in the world.
Super trucker.
Trying to say this is family friendly.
Bobby Big Rigger.
Well, kind of. All right, go over. Good looking Pete right there. Look at the big buck on that. Look at the big buck on that KW.
Hell of a bump on that feeder Jimmy there.
Yeah, and toter holders. Oh, there we go. A Volvo. A white Volvo, actually.
Volvo. White Volvo.
There's more Peterbilt. Only problem is they got no color to them.
They're all,
That way they can sell them.
they're all white.
Yeah.
Something little color here, and it's
Yeah.
a fancy road tractor. I'm telling you, I could live in that right there. Volvo
Oh,
or not,
easily.
I could live in that. That thing probably costs more than my house. Just saying.
Go down here. And this is Sunday, by the way.
Yeah, we still got a long way to go, folks.
Yep.
They are coming in, though. Now give us a few days, we'll do a little commentary for Titty Alley.
There you go.
Now, as impressive as that Peterbilt there may be, I can tell you all that old girl got a grass burner on it.
Yeah, it does that. Yeah, that it does.
Let's go over here to Mini Rock Corner, Green. See what we got out here.
I miss seeing old Knapp's trucks right here.
Oh yeah, Chuck Knapp.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes two of us. That's an impressive rig. Now I could drive that.
Sullivan.
I'd look good hauling 32 with that machine.
W9. This is the mini rod section. Most of the guys over here pulling minis. And that's that.
A lot of room yet, folks.
Yep.
And it's only Sunday.
Exactly.
We've got 3.5, 4 days full time here.
So we will check in later on.
This has been Greenie and his co-host Corncob with Trucking with Greenie.
Say goodbye for a little bit.
Later on.
Oh, that's
There we
all.
are.
Later on, folks.
Hey, yeah, what about us?
Yeah, we got JT back here and Ed.
Yeah, we'll go to Ed over here. Panda Ed. Ed, turn around.
Did I get him?
Yeah,
Can't tell.
Yeah.
You got it.
Alrighty.
Till later on, hammer down.
Yep, we will see y'all later. Well, good afternoon. It is Monday, around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Close to it. We are back here at Pool Town, Bowling Green, Ohio. We're going to drive around, show you a little more of the progress, how this tractor pull comes together. I think what we'll do is we're going to swing around the south side, and there should be some people lined up there to set their lawn chairs by the track. I think they get released to do that around 1 o'clock, so we'll drive over there and check that out real quick. And you'll see the line up here shortly, people. Let's see if they're lined up. Man, let's see here. That's where they'll be able to sit their chairs at 1 o'clock. Drive around a little bit later. We'll get right back with you. Well, we're back. And they are starting to release them to set their lawn chairs up on the south side, as you can see. Hopefully you can see. It's kind of sunny. I can already tell where I'm even filming at. Not really very exciting. Not like it used to be over here on the north side. On Saturday morning we would cut them loose and they would fill this up, and I mean they would make a mad dash to do it. We don't do that anymore. But there it is, and there they are. We're gonna walk over here and see what Big Chris is doing in the big 340 Case IH half track tractor pulling a disc chisel. I'm gonna talk to him here for a minute. See what Big Chris is doing. I'm gonna hop up in the bus seat there, Big Chris.
Come on up.
Alrighty. We're filming, by the way.
Yeah, I figured that.
Alrighty. Do a little disc chisel. This is, by the way, this is one of the ways they start prepping the track. Big Chris could maybe go into a little more detail.
Well, started out today with semi-load of sawdust split on 2 tracks. And about 4 loads of water on each one before we ever started. And ripped them up. Keep adding water and mixing and watering and mixing until we get to consistency that the boss man wants.
Best track crew in the business. They definitely know what they're doing. Now, we are in a red tractor. That's okay, I guess.
We ain't happy about it, but we're in a red tractor.
First time I ever been in a half track. How you like the half track?
Oh, it's all right. They're different to get used to, but pretty decent machine. Just different. You're right, all right.
Yeah, it seems like it is.
I did stuff it a little while ago.
Oh, did you?
Oh yeah. Spun out and stuffed it. But we're getting there. She's starting to get a little sticky.
I see that.
That's what we want to. Two watering cans going and 1 chisel plow.
How many times you gonna run over this?
Oh, probably by the time it's done, about 25.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it take for yeah, a bunch.
Of course, this sun's drawing it out too, drawing the moisture out.
Yeah, it ain't as bad as what you think it is, but we're getting the water worked in and we're gaining on it. You can even see it if you look behind us in the track of the tractor. You can see it's starting to pack and come together, and the chunks are getting broke up, and you can tell it's picking up moisture. When we started, this had great big old clods in it, and we're getting them broke up. Probably put a couple more loads into this, and then we'll bust out the disc. Looks like maybe they're getting it hooked up.
I see them working on it earlier.
So this is how we do it.
Well, folks, that's how we start prepping the tracks here at BG. Like I said, we got the best track crew in the business. They get the job done, rain or shine. Well, this is Jim and Chris, my co-driver.
Yep, old corn cob.
Corn Cob. I'm going to sign off for a little while. I'll be back with you in a little bit.